Good morning, guys. It's Liam from Speed Nasty Garage at 7:28 in the morning, and I am at the Krispy Kreme out on Port Wakefield Road waiting for this guy to rock up when he pulls in. This is Cameron in his R32 Skyline. So we're going out to the Hyperdrive test track day today. Hello. Good, how are you? Are we just heading straight out there? Right. Yeah, fair enough. Just carrying it. Looks good. Looks good in daylight.
A few moments later.
So yeah, we're going out to the Hyperdrive Trackday today with Cameron and Aky. Cameron's got the R32 four-door Skyline in blue, and that's Caitlin right there. Aky's got a MPS Mazda 6? Mazda 6? Don't know. Okay, it's a Mazda 6. I'm going to say it's a Mazda 6. So it should be fun. Cameron said he'd take me around the track in his R32, which would be sick, because I haven't been in it. And I haven't passengered around Malala, so that'll be a lot of fun. But yeah, so we are running a little bit late. It's now 7:40. I think we have to be there by 8:30, and it's like another 40 minutes to an hour to get there. So we will see how we go, and I'll update you guys when I get there. Alright, so we are now out at the racetrack, and as if you can't tell, it's a little bit cold. Wearing my big super dry jacket. We've just pulled up. Cameron's chucking his wheels, his grippy boys onto the car. What'd you say there? TFs? Pardon? Fortresses. Okay, so they're Touring Evolution Fortresses, which are like OG TE37s, like before TE37s existed, which are really cool. And then we've got Aky's MPS here, which is a Mazda. I'll wait for Cameron to stop being loud. Which is a Mazda 3, not a 6, because I'm an idiot. But they're going out to the track today. They're racing. I'll probably be passengering with either one. Can I passenger with anyone once I've waited the form? Yeah, sick.
Try them both out. See which one we like better.
Yeah, we'll see which one we like better. This is Aky here, repping the YV Media gear and his Mazda overalls, which are really cool. How much you say you bought them for?
$150.
Bought them for 150 bucks. Yeah, so they're going out on the racetrack. It's like 100% happening. And in the meantime, he's putting one of my stickers on his car. Because he's got a rule: you give him a sticker, it goes on the car. So race cars have stickers.
That's why mine has none.
That's why yours has none. So yeah, so I'm gonna follow the adventures of these two in pit lane. Probably shouldn't be on the camera the whole time because I could probably give them a hand, seeing as they're taking me around the track in the race car. I'll keep you guys updated on the day as to how it goes, times and whatnot. It's 8:32 currently, so we'll see how we go. What time does the racing start? What's first? 9 o'clock, so we got 28 minutes to get these cars ready to rock and roll. So I'm going to chuck the camera down and then we're going to head out to the track. Well, they are. The passenger times are like 11 to 12 and then 3 to 4. So middle of the day and then the last session. I'll also film that because why not? It'll be fun. Let's go. Alright, so we're at the end of Cam and Aky's first session. Cam came in a little bit early, luckily, because we've got a little bit of an issue with some oil. Not some oil, a load of oil, just like all over the underside of the car. An R32 also binned it and like completely totaled itself into the wall. I'll see if I can get some footage, I got some photos of it. But it's... So yeah, so there's a shitload of oil under the car, I'll show you guys. Rattling off the nuts now, but you can see that oil there. If I get right down underneath, you can see it dripping off the car and all over the rails. Mint rails, by the way, Cam.
Oh yeah, 10 out of 10.
They look sick. See that drip? Oh, fucking hell. Alright, so it's coming from
There?
up there.
Catch can?
Maybe? Do you think the catch can just sprung a leak underneath it, or check those lines?
Catch can maybe.
I'm confused as to how there's... Is it full? Oil coming out of here, because that's what makes me think potentially if it's full, it's going to be backed up and it's going to be coming out of those rocker cover ones. Which may be why it's puking oil. Just chuck that lid on it. So yeah, nothing like race day dramas to get us off the ground for the first session.
That's from last track day. Oh.
But yeah, so hopefully it's just the catch can being over full. We'll see when it comes in after the next session. See if it's still puking oil. You can hear the race cars in the background, so I'm gonna have to yell because that's really loud. Is that the RX-7? Yeah. I'll go show you guys. Let's have a look at it. So, Cam, we pulled your catch can out.
Pretty good. Nice fabricated one.
Yeah. What model? It's a
AT Performance.
AT Performance. That one was leaking.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, all over the back of, all over the car. So it's coming out through the breather and just pissing oil everywhere, which is that. Not that. That was the last guys, but this was us. So
we found an upgrade.
yeah, we've replaced it. So we found it just lying around. Just a spare one. It's a twin system, so it's a HKS and Nismo system. So it's working good. It's working really good now. No more leaks, which is good because you don't want leaks over by the turbo, oil, and hot temperatures do not mix, which is bad, but mint. Alright, so we are about to go for passenger laps. I'm going to be jumping in the MPS with Aky for the first round, and then I'm going to be jumping in with Cameron afterwards because his car's back up and running now, so that should be really, really good. But yeah, I'll film the in-car footage as well as some exterior footage of the cars going around the track, so you guys will get to see that. But yeah, it's going to be fun. Never been in an MPS before, so should be interesting. So how fast are you going around Malala?
125.2 PB.
PB? Was that today?
Sorry, that was just today, just in the second session.
Yeah.
There's a lot more in the car, maybe a bit more on me as well.
Yeah. Yeah. So what? So the guy behind you said your brakes were on fire?
Yeah. So going past them on the back straight, apparently the brakes were on fire. I wasn't even using them.
Yeah. Well, like I said, I did my fastest lap in the Integra with no brakes, so who needs them? You should be fine.
So, I don't want the brakes to run out with you in the car.
It'll make for good content, all right?
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So we're just waiting to go out now. They've just got the first part of the passenger session out there now. They'll go out, do a couple of laps, and then come back in. We'll do the same, go out, do a couple of laps, and then I'll swap from the Mazda to the Nissan, and we'll go from there. Hopefully the Nissan doesn't break down. They were just saying that Yanni from YV Media, whenever he gets his camera out, the Nissan breaks. So Yanni,
don't show up.
Yeah, don't show up for another at least 15-20 minutes, okay? Please, fingers crossed. But it should be good. With that HKS and Nismo kit, we should be fine. Should be
good upgrade, yeah.
Good. So I've jumped in the car with Cameron. We're waiting to go out now. We're the next in line to go out. I don't know if you can probably hear the fuel pump, but you can definitely hear that RX-7 behind us. And you definitely can't smell it, but it's like E85 heaven in here. It's great.
Bit of rotor oil from the one behind us though.
Yeah, a bit of rotor oil too. So we're gonna head out and give it a fang. If the GoPro holds up, I'll overlay the audio onto the video so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Sounds pretty mental. It's good. Pretty cool car. But yeah, we're just waiting to go out. Once we go out, I'll get some footage and I'll show you guys and we'll be good to go. Sick!
Oh, it's probably well cold by now.
That's alright, makes some good content. Alright, so there's Yanni from YV Media. If you haven't followed him yet, go follow him because he does some awesome stuff. He let me borrow his camera today, which is like a really lad move, so that was really cool. But we're going to finish up the vlog here. There's the broken Skyline in the background. It is cactus. But yeah, we're going to finish the vlog here today because we've had a massive day. I'll try and put as much footage in here. You've probably seen as much footage as I can put in here. But we've had lap after lap after lap. A couple of accidents, a couple of spin outs, but generally some pretty interesting stuff. But successful day overall. The Nissan hasn't broken yet, but Aky is driving it, so fingers crossed it doesn't. Alright guys, thanks heaps for watching, and make sure you stay tuned for the next episode of the Speed Nasty Vlogs. Also jump onto our Instagram and make sure you're following there for all our updates and promotions that we're doing. We're doing heaps of promotions lately. Free jumpers, free stickers, all that kind of stuff, as well as where we're going to be next. So make sure you jump on there and follow us for that. Otherwise, smash that subscribe button, chuck us a like, and I'll see you next time. And as always, stay nasty.